This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Here's one block. When we see one block, we know we have 1, 1. If we have 10 blocks, we can group them together. 10 blocks equals 110. We can use models like these to add. Let's try it together. What is 25 plus 10? Let's use blocks to find out. 25 is made up of 2 10s and 5 1s. Here's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How about 10? 10 is 1 tens rod. Now we can count all of the blocks to find out how many 10s and 1s we have in all. How many 10s are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 10s in all. Now we need to count how many 1s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 1s. 3 10s and 5 1s is the same as 35. So 25 plus 10 equals 35. Now we need to find out 20 plus 32. How many 10s do we need to make 20? 10, 20. That's 2 10s. Now let's make 32. 32 has 3 10s and 2 1s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Let's count the blocks to see how many 10s and 1s we have in all. We can count the 10s first. The number 20 has 2 10s. Then we'll add 3 more. 3, 4, 5. We have 5 10s in all. Now let's count the 1s. 1, 2. There are 2 1s. We have 5 10s and 2 1s, which is the same as 52. This means that 20 plus 32 equals 52. Let's try one more. What is 17 plus 50? We'll show this using blocks. 17 is made up of 1 10 and 7 1s. 50 has 5 10s and no 1s. Let's count up our 10s first. 17 has 1 10 and 50 has 5 10s. 1 10 plus 5 more equals 6 10s in all. Now we need to know how many 1s we have. 17 has 7 1s and 50 doesn't have any 1s, so there are 7 1s. The blocks show 6 10s and 7 1s in all, which is the same as 67. This means that 17 plus 50 equals 67. Way to go! Using models like these can be a helpful way to solve addition sentences that have 2-digit numbers. Keep practicing.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.